It's your boy Thursday, and we're here to introduce my YouTube channel.
Hello, 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 hello,
BBK
hello,
shit, man.
hello,
Thursday
hello, hello,
Mister.
hello,
What I say?
hello, hello,
6ix9ine
hello, hello.
It start today. It start today. 1, 2.
Now, this is what's going to be going on this YouTube channel. We're going to be giving you everything you need to navigate through this life. So if you're stuck in the past and trying to figure out how to get in the future, then you need to watch this channel because we're going to give you all the tips. We're going to give you all the tricks to navigate through life. It don't matter if you're black, white, Spanish, Chinese. We got the tips. Stay tuned. First pro tip, ladies and gentlemen. In the morning when you get up, before you get on that social media, before you get to talking to that world, come talk with the sun. Come have conversations with the air. Get outside with life. You see that sun hitting me? Yeah, it don't just look good. It feel good. It's for the body. It's good for you. It do the body good. That's tip number 1. Pro tip number 2. Now, everyone doesn't like working for the man. But if you do, get your ass up every morning, be consistent, go to work, and save. That's what you got to do. But if you like me and you don't follow the normal blueprint and you don't want to follow some rules that someone's telling you, you ain't want to listen to the teacher, you don't want to listen to your boss, I get it. So what can you do to sustain income on the regular basis? We know we got DoorDash and Turo and Uber Eats, and we got all these things. You could go right to Craigslist, find you some work, get to it, and get paid at the end of the day. I can go on Craigslist right now this morning and find me a gig, find me a job where I can make at least $100 to $200, maybe even $300, depending on the job or the gig in one day. Other apps that I didn't mention, you got Point Pickup, Spark. You got all these third-party apps where you can work for yourself. You can start your time when you want to. You can stop your time when you want to. You're not obligated. You're not demanded. You work when you want to. You make what you want. And then you stop when you want. So if you want to make more, you can make more. If you want it to be a part-time thing, it could be a part-time thing. Whatever it is you want, you set your schedule when you are using these third-party apps. You are not a W-2. You are an independent contractor. That pro tip number 3, health, wealth. You guys, I'm not saying you got to go to the gym. I'm just saying make sure you get your steps in. Make sure you're doing some type of exercise. Matter of fact, I'm going to ask my brother who's well in shape on some tips on this. Be right back. Just to let y'all know.
Hit 20 of them things right quick.
20 of them?
Yeah, it start today. It start today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. 9, 10. 2 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. That's 20. Oh, he's still going. He's still going. Okay. Okay.
I could have kept going, but you know.
I'm gonna just start off by saying I probably don't got a 6-pack right now. That Thanksgiving dinner done got to me a little bit. But I'm gonna mention something that you said. The biggest thing on working out is one, definitely getting started, and number 2 is consistency. So once you get started and you're consistent, you're gonna see the results automatically. Even if it's 30 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day, it's getting started and getting to it. So yeah.
Y'all heard him. Stay consistent and stop waiting. Get started now.
Get to it, man.
Do it right now.
What am I saying?
Okay, mother. So I'm giving out tips on how to operate through life. And I feel as though relationships is very important. Who you surround yourself, who you know, more than what you know, who you know can sometimes get you into places to learn what you don't know. I feel like you're good with relationships. So I just would want you to give a pro tip on relationships.
Okay.
Okay.
Pro tip on relationship. And I'm going to say be genuine.
So surround yourself with people who know things that you don't, but be genuine in the relationship. You're not there to use them. It's there for growth, it's there for partnership, it's there for long-term relationships. And then when you are learning from one another, be willing to give back to the person who is helping you and be willing to share with others. So be genuine in the relationships that you build when you are networking. So there's nothing wrong with learning from someone else, nothing wrong with going out to meet people who know things that you don't, but don't go in with the mindset that you're just going to take and use. Be genuine when you go out and build true relationships, strong relationships, lasting relationship. Pro tip.
Whoa, that was a good pro tip. Thank you, Mom. Drive safe. Love you. That was oh my goodness, that was a good one right there. She gave it out to y'all exactly how it needed to be said. Pro tips, man. We gonna navigate through this life together, y'all. Peace.
Ooh, I'm like, baby, got back. Baby, can you bring it back? Swear I'm really loving that. Ooh. I'm like, baby, got back. Can you please bring it back? Swear I'm really loving that. Let's to the core. And my mama know that shit. Mama, I can't make my mind. Been that way since a little kid. I need 6 baby moms, all different races, 12 kids. I'm gonna buy one house and we gon' get it how we live.